All right, let's talk about your hard-earned money. You're looking for a safe haven, right? Somewhere to park it, earn a bit, and sleep soundly. But then you stumble upon StashAway's fixed deposit. And the big question hits you, is it actually safe? I mean, we've all heard the horror stories, haven't we? Promises of high returns turning into, well, nothing. So, can you really trust your cash with StashAway's fixed deposit? Let's be real, the word fixed deposit itself brings comfort. It feels solid, reliable. But in today's complex financial landscape, that feeling alone isn't enough. We need to dig deeper. We need to understand the nuts and bolts. Because, let's face it, your savings aren't just numbers on a screen, they're your future, your peace of mind. Now, StashAway, as a platform, has built a reputation for its robo-advisory services. They're all about automated investing, tailored portfolios, and all that jazz. But fixed deposits? That's a different beast. It's about predictability, security, and knowing exactly what you're getting. So, how does StashAway pull this off? Well, they partner with established banks to offer these fixed deposits. This partnership is crucial. It's not StashAway themselves holding your money, but these regulated financial institutions. That's a layer of security right there. But, and this is a big but, you still need to understand the specifics. Which banks are they working with? What are their track records? Are they covered by deposit insurance schemes in your region? These are the questions you need to ask. And remember, even with established banks, there are still risks. Interest rates can fluctuate, although with a fixed deposit, you are locked into the rate for the duration of the term. Economic conditions can impact even the most stable institutions. Diversification is always key. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Think of it this way, StashAway acts as a middleman, streamlining the process, making it easier for you to access these fixed deposits. But ultimately, the safety of your money depends on the strength and stability of the underlying banks. Do your due diligence. Don't just take my word for it, or anyone else's for that matter. Research the banks involved. Look into their financial health. Read the fine print of the terms and conditions. Understand the deposit insurance coverage in your region. Because at the end of the day, it's your money, your responsibility. And while StashAway's fixed deposit offers a potentially convenient way to grow your savings, it's crucial to make informed decisions. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.